Home Remedies presents
Low blood pressure in 1 minute, cure a tumor and clean your liver in a day with beets. Studies have shown that beets can help improve your blood circulation, postpone aging, and even help in the treatment of various forms of cancer. Beets can lower your blood pressure naturally, clean and detoxify your liver, and boost blood flow thanks to the high content of nitrate. If you drink a glass of beet juice on a regular basis, your blood vessels will be relaxed, and this will contribute towards preventing and eliminating hypertension. Recipe: you will need 2 apples, 3 beets, 2 celery stalks, 1 garlic clove, a piece of ginger. Preparation and use: wash all the ingredients thoroughly and toss them in a food processor. Add some water as well and consume this drink every day. Beets are abundant in flavonoids, which prevent cancer cells formation. However, they function much better when combined with other ingredients with similar properties like ginger and apples. Here's another very beneficial recipe for a beet shake. You will need 1 medium beet, 1 apple, 1 carrot, 1 cup of water and ice. Preparation and use: just wash all the fruits and veggies thoroughly, chop them into small pieces and toss them in the shaker. Pulse until they are combined. Pour the shake in a tall glass and drink it regularly. This shake is excellent for a liver detox, can reduce the bile secretion, and improve your liver function. It also lowers the heavy metal accumulation in your liver. Here's another very simple recipe with beets and lemons. You will need 1 lemon, 1 beet. Preparation and use: wash the beet and chop it and add it to a blender. Add the lemon and pulse until smooth. Transfer into a glass and drink it right away. Start preparing these amazing drinks and enjoy all the benefits beets have to offer. Do give it a try and share your experience in the comments section below.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.